So here we are working on the St. Lawrence River skiff and replacing some ribs. So we've got some white oak cut about 1 centimeter by 1.5 centimeters. They were soaking in water for 3 or 4 days, and now they're been steamed in my steam tube about 12 minutes. So the hardest part is getting the rib down into the bottom of the ends of the boat where there's quite a bit of curve, and then trying to get it to lay flat on the center keel. So I'm holding it down, trying to pull up on the edges to get a bit of a bend there, and then working my way up the sides. Of course, I'm working by myself, so need to work from side to side. Do a little bit on this side. I'm going to clamp it in place. Work my way to the other side before that other side starts to cool too much. Got it centered. Going to do a bit of a bend in the bottom here, and then slowly work my way up. The easiest thing to do is, as you're pushing out on the rib, is to bend the top in, and at the same time also be sort of pushing down on the rib as you're bending it. It's a slow process. It'll only bend as much as you can, as fast as you can. I'm going to clamp it in place here again, and as you can see, it's off the bottom of the boat. So I'm going to go back to this first side, push it down. A little more bending. And reclamp. Try to make sure the rib lays nicely against each lap. In the last phase, you'll see hammering on the end of the rib, and you'll see it nicely settles down into the bottom of the boat. Seems to be a bit of a flat spot here. I'm just going to attempt to get a little bit more curve in that section of the rib. And with this rib well in place, bang down in the bottom of the boat, clamped up nice and tight, ready for the next rib. If you like these videos, be sure to subscribe.